Did you ever dream of sailing on a private yacht in the Mediterranean Sea, enjoying the sun, the sea, and the sights? But what happens when your dream vacation turns into a nightmare? How do you cope with the unexpected?
Stop! Stop. Tell the weather to stop.
As we approaching Korčula, the sea got actually milder.
I am feeling quite queasy.
I can't believe we're here in beautiful Hvar and the weather's not cooperating. It's just raining. What are we gonna do?
Last year, we went on a cruise in Croatia and it was perfect. Croatia is one of the most popular destinations for yacht cruises in Europe. With over 1,000 islands along its coast, each with its own unique charm and history, we visited amazing places like Zadar, Pula, and Upatia, met friendly locals, and ate delicious food. We know we barely scratched the surface, and we had so much fun that we decided to do it again, but now going to different locations. We were looking forward to seeing old towns, swimming in crystal clear water, and hiking in the national parks.
We're getting on a yacht, but we actually didn't see it yet. So this yacht right here is not the one we're boarding on, but we're going through it and then we'll step on our yacht. So it's like a
Surprise!
Our 7-day journey begins here. The itinerary of this tour promised to visit the most hidden gems of Croatia.
I'll take a minute.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
We were greeted with snacks, shots, Michael, and this thing.
Is that a board?
I'm not sure if it's real.
It's a ham! How have you seen a ham like that? This is beautiful. This is really nice. I wonder what our room looks like. Okay, push it.
Ah, it's cute. What is that? Oh, the key.
The key. Wow! I love it!
As we embark in Dubrovnik, the first tour in this trip is in Old Town.
Thank you. So this is a completely different experience from what we had before. This time it's like rainy because, you know, weather changes and you never know what to expect.
The city walls of Dubrovnik were popularized by the Game of Thrones.
I barely can fit here. Oh wow.
Oh, nice.
And this is the view that will greet you.
Because of the wind and the rain, we decided to cut off and hopefully we'll come back tomorrow to see the walls. But
We're having lavender gin and tonic. Cheers!
lavender is a widely used ingredient in Croatia and you can find it even in the drinks. You'll find only one square limestone on the main street of Dubrovnik. And the reason behind is because this is the center of the street and it was laid as the first limestone, and from it started spreading in both directions. Typical Victor and MJ style, we made it back to the bus that took us back to the yacht so we can prepare for our dinner.
Ooh, smells so good.
It was the first dinner of the cruise. It's actually not on a yacht, it's in one of the top restaurants here in Dubrovnik called Posat.
Wow,
And we get a little bit of the view actually of the walls too.
it's a lovely place. Oh, it smells like squid. Maybe it's black squid ink. They have an unusual looking bread here. Let's try it. Can't taste it. Try you.
Thank you. The dinner was phenomenal. For the main course, we had a sea bass, followed with the most amazing dessert that I've ever had. Also, I feel we got closer to know some of the people from the group, so it feels like we're becoming a little a family, and it's only day first.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun.
So good night for now, and we'll see you tomorrow.
This morning was spent back in Old Town with a slightly better weather.
Due to the rough seas, instead of going back to the yacht, the coach is taking us to our next destination, where the yacht will sail without us, so we don't get sick on the waves.
Safety first.
That's the first time actually we're seeing the yacht after we slept there one night. I know, it's weird, but we're not able to see it from outside.
How majestic!
It is fancy. I like it. Are you okay? Uh-oh. How do you feel, babe? I think I'm having fun. I feel like I'm in a swing. It goes up and down, up and down.
The sea is a little bit rough. I'm trying to fight it off with a tea. I have to say, the boat's like rocking really hard. And I can hear from the kitchen the utensils and the cups flipping, flopping. So hopefully this goes away.
So, current status, I am feeling quite queasy and still sick from the waves.
Upon docking, I felt good enough to join the land tour.
Looks fun. How many ships are crossing?
Oh,
Wow.
oh boy, this is endless.
Like a maze.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll help.
What's your life?
Thank you.
This is called one more.
How many was it?
5? I lost the count when the steps were too long.
First stop of Korcula is this winery, which it feels to me that it's a little private, family-owned, which we of course got to taste some of the local wines, and
I want to be in it.
you can tell MJ tastes a little bit too many wines.
No, but seriously, imagine this in a sunny day or sunset. It's really beautiful. We gotta go.
Okay, bye.
Bye! Thank you!
After all that wine, we're back on the ship, and today is actually the first night we're having a dinner here on the ship.
Excited to see what Chef has to start us.
First of all, you have on the meat plate you have the lamb with cherry sauce, potatoes, and stuffed chicken breast with spinach and cheddar cheese. For the fish menu, grilled sea bream with vegetable, stuffed ravioli and porcini mushrooms.
I'm in trouble. Thank you.
So we stayed overnight here in Korcula, and this morning, going around town, find out what Korcula is all about.
The city of Korčula was built on an island, and it's on a canal that is full of a lot of winds. We have winds from the east, which are very cold. That's why they built the city with these curves, so the wind doesn't come through. But we have warmer air from the west, which will have straight winds that we can see the ocean, and that's how we keep the city cool but not too cold.
old school air conditioning.
This little city of Korčula, it does feel is like a smaller version of Dubrovnik. You have the old town surrounded by the walls, but everything is like in a smaller size. After spending the morning in Korčula, we are heading over to our next destination, which is supposed to be Ibiza or Croatia. The island is very, very long, stretching from east to west, and this right here is the eastern point of it, where you can see this lighthouse. You know, part of the yacht cruising is the swim stops that we were really looking forward, because the Croatian waters are so blue, beautiful, with pebble beaches, and the videos you're seeing right now, we took it last year.
But you know, you can't control weather, and this is unusual weather. Normally around this time, so
Please pray for the sunshine. I always find it fascinating to watch how the yachts are getting like docked together. And welcome to sunny island of Hvar. We docked in the city of Elsa.
Let it go, let it go, let it go.
They got transferred here in the city of Hvar. On the island of Hvar, we had a guided tour of the city, which we saw the Cathedral of Saint Stephen, the biggest square in Dalmatia. The most important thing is do not call it Hvar, because Hvar means malfunctioning. Hvar means malfunctioning, so make sure you pronounce that H, Hvar.
So normally, this town is known as Party Town. I guess because of the weather, it doesn't look like it right now. But, you know, you could still have fun. So as of right now, we're going in this beautiful palace to have some drinks.
Is that the palace?
Yes. True.
welcome to Princess Elizabeth.
Zadar? Ready?
I love her. Beautiful Empress of Austria. Queen Elizabeth kept all this here mementos. Yeah, there's like 40 of them, and it's all in great shape, and it's out here for the public to see.
After successfully achieving what we came for, we decided going back to town.
I can't believe we're here in beautiful Hvar, and the weather's not cooperating. It's just raining. What are we gonna do?
Oh,
We're being cooked alive.
After a successful day in Hvar,
We go to a jacuzzi. It's been rainy days for several days now.
and the weather forecast not promising anything. We need your prayer. Unless you wanna finish this video with only rain.
There's nothing like doing a jacuzzi and a hot sauna at the end of a cold and rainy day.
Good morning. It seems that there is no rain.
Stop!
Stop. Tell the weather to stop.
Did you see outside? Oh my god. I've never been in this rough
Because the conditions of the sea are a little bit rougher, please stay seated.
Never been so happy to be back on land.
Split is a stunning city on the Adriatic Sea, where ancient Roman ruins meet modern life. You can wander around here for hours and find yourself still mesmerized.
Thank you guys for praying for us, because we got the sun, but it came with a tornado.
Since it was really windy in Split, we decided to come back and give you a quick yacht tour. As you step in through here, you will arrive here on the main deck, where there's a lot of cabins. The deck below are also cabins, and that's where ours are located. Now let's go up. And this is our lounge. And over there is where our dining room is.
And these guys where the magic actually happened.
Yes.
And this is who's responsible for our big bellies.
At the end of the day.
Now let's go more up. And this, my friends, is my favorite part of the ship. The jacuzzi. You can lounge here to get some sun.
That's right, sun.
The sauna. More lounges, like the pool area.
We didn't ask why is it empty. I would say because of the waves.
And we have an outdoor shower and exercise area. And paddle boarding on better days. Ship tour is over.
I'll give you a quick room tour. Queen size bed. Underneath there is a storage. 2 nightstands on each side of the bed. A workspace. A closet. There are some ropes. TV. Very sizable shower with a rain shower head. A sink and yeah, that's it guys. That's our cute little tiny house for now. After delicious foods and desserts, we decided to spend the rest of the evening on a yacht.
Welcome, and we are approaching the sunny city of Trogir.
Every place that we travel here in Croatia, they keep saying that their cities were built specifically to hide from the sun, like the streets are going a specific way, so when people walk, it's not very sunny. It's interesting to learn about these things when it's raining non-stop for a week. As today we docked in Trogir, we had free time to explore the city, but it was raining, so we just chose to stay, work. And after lunch, right now we're going to our tour for the day.
Well, originally we were supposed to go to Korčula,
Which is a very beautiful national park with a lot of waterfalls that looks like this, but today it looks like this.
Because of that, we are going on this little town, and we'll do a little bit of something different. Welcome to the museum. Here you will find where they used to put the olives so that they would make a paste out of it. After that, they will put the paste in a barrel, and the wife will pour hot water, and the husband will be stepping on it with his bare foot. That's your history of olive oil. Thank you.
Next is to put our knowledge to the test. We have 2 shots of olive oil. One of them is a real extra virgin. Another one is an imposter. Our job is to find out which one is real.
Because the idea here is to preheat this olive oil a little bit, and then I'm going to inhale deeply, looking for this fruity neck. Slurp the olive oil through my teeth, leave it in my mouth for several seconds because we are looking for the bitterness. And finally I'm going to swallow it, and I will be looking for this pungency here, and exhale through my nose. Okay, so I'm very curious. Do you think the first one we tried is extra virgin olive oil? How many of you think the second one is? It will be easier. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and what makes you say the second one was extra virgin olive?
I don't know, the taste.
Extra virgin olive oil, and the other one is olive oil that says extra virgin on the bottle and costs 6 euros. Okay? I'm actually very proud of you. The majority of you guessed it right. The first one is indeed extra virgin olive oil. This is a great result.
When the Krka National Park was cancelled, we were told that we go to the Plan B, we'll be doing olive oil tasting. We found out what is the difference in between regular and extra virgin oil. I know what's the difference, MJ still has to learn. But besides that, we were surprised to find these gardens with different plants and flowers, and everything is blooming, and we have these cherries and lemon trees.
And there was a dessert, and then also there was some shopping. Shopping's the best.
As we got back, we were surprisingly met by a sunny day, finally. So we decided to check out the city of Trogir. We docked overnight here.
It's a really lovely city. You walk around in pebbled streets, and they have a lot of shops, restaurants with fresh fish. It's nice to explore.
Interesting fact about Trogir, that is set that is entirely on an island. This is the island, and right there, across this little canal, it's a mainland, and this is the bridge that connects the island to the mainland. Isn't that interesting?
Yes, very interesting. I'm just so happy to see sunlight.
Yeah, look, it's like this little metal strings, and this like round thing with the holes, and it makes a sound. It's impressive. I never seen anything like that. And guess what dinner is tonight?
Tonight is the captain's dinner.
Who is not familiar with the term of captain's dinner? Once upon the sail, you have a captain's dinner, which means that the captain joins you for a dinner.
Well, thank you for being who you are and leading us to safety and taking good care of us and making suggestions that the right choices to make. So we really appreciate that.
After delicious appetizer and second course, it's the time for the main course, served by the chef.
And now, smash. Smash what? Smash the salt. Like right here? Yeah.
Beat it. Harder.
It's enough. Please. Sorry.
Oh, we made it.
What? The captain made the olive oil.
Yeah.
Did you hear that?
Okay, let's try it. Let's do the judgment.
Last night, we sat with Captain Boris at the table, and he offered us to see the engine bay, which I'm very excited because I want to see how this thing works.
Right. I've never been here in a place like this.
Flip-flops in engine bay, not necessarily the safest thing. Morning, Captain Boris. Ooh.
Here we have two V8 engines.
Each of them generates 150 horsepower.
Huh?
And each of them generates 150 horsepower.
And each of them generate 180 horsepower.
750.
And each of them generates 750 horsepower.
I've been in the car industry for 10 years, and this is the biggest engine I've ever seen. No kidding. This is huge.
For shower, you know, for kitchen. We have some machine, clean the water, then come to Split, then come to Dubrovnik, then clean the car.
The waste. Wow, okay, so that's very clean.
It's clean the shit, yeah.
That's very amazing.
Nothing to do.
How did you like the engine tour?
Great. I learned about horsepower.
How many horsepower has the engine again?
750
Wow, each.
each.
Pass the test.
What a beautiful day.
And first stop of the day is beautiful mountain.
Wow, that is gorgeous. Oh my gosh.
Feels like heaven.
If I haven't had the view, this must be it.
The beauty about taking these yacht cruises is because they will take you to these hidden places that are not necessarily known. For example, I never heard of this place.
I never heard of it.
It's just beyond gorgeous. So very few people here. You can get your drink here on the top and just simply enjoy. No noise, no traffic, no planes noise, nothing. It's just beauty of the nature and this weird statue.
And enjoy your coffee or drink.
As we got back from the up there and the viewpoint, we were given some time just to roam on our own. So I want to check out this little town.
There's a donkey.
MJ meant statue of the donkey.
There's the fisherman.
MJ meant statue of the fisherman. I really like the fact that we get to see cities as Dubrovnik and Split that you probably have heard of. That is the place to go to Croatia. But I really actually love the fact that it takes us to little small towns. Look around, there is almost no people visiting. I only can imagine how back in the day have these little merchants, people coming in, coming out, tavernas.
Gelato.
All the street fights.
Oh, sorry, I was in the wrong time zone. This town is just so cute. Like, it has those little statues, and what you can do is you can rent boats or you can rent bikes and just go around and explore.
This morning we docked in this little town of Vodice. In about 10 minutes we have to get off the ship so we can go to our next adventure, and while MJ is taking ready I think it's a good time to talk about this yacht. This yacht was built in 2021 and it's 170 feet long. It has in total 18 cabins and it can carry 38 passengers. 2 of those cabins are for 3 people basically, the rest of them are double. Maximum speed is 17 kilometers per hour on a clear sunny day. That's about it. Time to go! Remember the prosciutto, big pork leg? Today we're gonna be visiting a farm where they actually make it. This place is absolutely stunning.
It's 1 hectare of traditional home turned into a restaurant. You hear the birds chirping, and just wait until you see what's next.
To make a prosciutto, it's several stages. It starts from salting it. After that, the prosciutto is moved all the way up to be in the wind for about 5 months. And then the last stage is here, is aging, where we're going right now.
Oh my gosh, this is super cool.
3 godine. E sad tu ima pršuta od 1 godine i 1500 godišnje izlazi manje.
Here is the last stage of prosciutto, which it takes about 3 years of aging in about 16 to 17 degrees with 70% of humidity. It's just mind-blowing. Already so warm. Oh my god, so delicious.
So beautiful. Yeah.
Today we are on a love island.
Why is it called Love Island?
Not what you thought. I'll give you a little hint.
Cheers to Love Island.
Cheers.
Finally had some fun. Woo!
That's our Captain Boris. That's how he's taking care of his people.
Our Croatian yacht cruise was a roller coaster of emotions. We faced storms, waves, and sickness, but we also enjoyed delicious food, stunning scenery, and great times. We learned to embrace the unexpected and make the best of every situation. We realized that we could not control the weather or the sea, but we could control our attitude and our actions to focus on the things that we could still enjoy and appreciate the moments of calm and sunshine.
Yeah.
To finally relax and admire the beauty of Croatia. And with this, we discovered new things about the destination and ourselves. We realized that a trip with a rocky start can still be another wonderful adventure.
This is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. We really loved it. The big question you're probably asking, how much this cost or how do you book this? This particular company, they do charter. You can find links below. We can help you put that trip for you together.
It can be customized the way you want it, but there are different suggested routes. Whether you want to go to Split, you want to go through Zadar, or you want to start in Dubrovnik. Just imagine going on a trip with your friends or your group. It is so beautiful to visit Croatia through a yacht because it's just a different experience from being on land.